Hey guys, wanna do this unboxing of Does It? It's a seat jacker for Toyota Tacoma. It's a game changer. It elevated and eliminate those problems that we have as an OEM default, I would say, when it comes to seat. It's not so comfortable, but this product really make the difference. So let's get started. Okay, as we open the product, um, let's see what we got inside. Okay, that's pretty much. So we have what we got inside. We have a bolts, we have a 2-seat jacker, we have a cool sticker, as you can see it. Desert Does It. That's the company name, manufacturer for this product. We got lemon drop. This is mostly said their brochure, thank you card. They are all Facebook, and definitely I would suggest check them out. They not only make Toyota. That's my truck is Tacoma, but the other product as well. So definitely I recommend it. You go and check it out, their website, and also YouTube, to how to install it. They really make a cool video. This is basically instruction manual. You can pretty much scan over here. It will take you to the YouTube video, and step by step it will tell you how to install it. Pretty much plug and play. This is basically the receipt. So that's pretty much it comes in a box. So next video gonna be about the installation, so stay tuned.